Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a 64 Dodge 330. This casting is by Hot Wheels. Though it doesn't say on the card that it's new for 2026, but it in fact is new for 2026, as mentioned on the base. If you look closely, it says 2026 metal. Looks like a nice casting for a main line. You can see some details on the side. So let's open it up and see what else it offers. So a quick look, and you can see there's some of the details on this casting. White paint, lot of red details on it, let's say. So let's deep dive into see what else is there. So as I said before, it's finished in white. You got some red treatment on it, but I'm gonna start from the front and then come to side. From the front, you can see where the headlamp and the grille is, but they're not painted. Not surprising for Hot Wheels mainline. They do this on a lot of older cars. You might get a silver series sometime with all the details, I guess. But you can see the bump in the hood. I think it's getting a bigger engine. You can also see detail for hood latches. No windshield wiper or mirrors. I don't know why. The new casting, I was expecting that. But that's Hot Wheels. You got the red strips because from the not the entire hood, but on the hood bulge, you would say here, and on the roof. It doesn't carry on the tail either. So that's for the front. All is finished in grey, no chrome here, which is good. Now going back to the driver's side, so a lot of good details here, I would say, especially on the side. We can say it says Hot Wheels, track team, El Segundo, California, 330, SSA, Dodge. There's actually this trim that goes from front to back. Look closely. Finished in grey. Also, wheels are different size and different colors. Front is red, rear is grey, and these are classic Hot Wheels wheels. You would have seen on so many different classic cars. Interior is finished in red. Look, don't see any special modifications. You see two front seats and one bench in the back. Now, moving to the back. Again, you can see where the tail lamp is, where the number plate is, but they are not painted or detailed. You get the grey bumper. No major details on the trunk here. Don't see the fuel filler on either side, so I don't know where it is. On the passenger side, looks almost identical. You can see where the running lamps or turn signal might be, but they are not detailed either. And this is how it looks from the top. You can see this strips here and here, but nothing in the back. And this is how the base looks. Some details there, like the differential, but then again, not a lot. So overall, I think Hot Wheels missed few things here, which in this, like today's era, I would have loved to have. But then again, can't complain much. It's still a main line, not a premium or a silver series. But for a main line, it looks good. Maybe you can detail the headlamp and tail lamp and make it look even better. Apart from that, the paint, the temples, they look good. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.